something's wrong with the children.
What are you doing?
Play with your girl.
I'm looking for the chocolate.
They're losing their mind over a goober.
Found it. I'll throw it away.
That's dead.
Krislin's going to eat that goober. I know she's going to eat it.
She had 2 boxes.
Excuse me, y'all make me stressed out.
Never mind. No, she didn't.
You don't think I have stressed out? Why is her stressed out days in school?
You making him lay on her. Ew.
No, don't lick me in my face.
Cream is molesting the dog.
Stop, I'm not trying to get it.
And there goes the dog and the cat.